Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a route for one driver using the image upload feature. Let's begin by going to Create Route. Here, you can quickly assign the driver who will be taking the trip. This ensures every route is linked to the right person from the start. Next, enter the start and end location of the journey, along with the start and end dates and times. This helps Zeo understand not only where the driver is headed, but also when they're available, so every schedule runs on time without unnecessary waiting or delays. Now comes the smart part. Instead of typing addresses manually, simply select Upload Image with Stops and choose the file from your computer. Zeo will automatically scan the image and pull out all the addresses for you. It's quick, accurate, and saves drivers from the hassle of dealing with missing or incorrect entries. Once the stops are loaded, you can scroll down and see all the addresses. Once you are satisfied, click on Save and Optimize. Zeo instantly processes the data and creates the most efficient route possible, cutting down fuel costs, reducing driving stress, and ensuring your driver can complete deliveries faster and on time. And just like that, your optimized route is ready. With Zeo Route Planner, every trip becomes simpler, smarter, and smoother, so your drivers can focus on driving, not juggling addresses. Happy routing with Zeo.